Okay, I'm going to show you how to change your spark plugs on a 2012 Honda CRV. So I've already done 3 of them. We're doing the 3rd one. If you look here, on the top of your motor, you're going to have this cover, and it goes on just like that. I put all my bolts in the magnetic tray, but you're going to have size 10 millimeter for those, and then a spark plug socket to take all your spark plugs out after you take out your coil packs. But all your bolts, the 4 on here and the 4 on here, are all going to be 10 millimeter. You take your spark plug out, you're going to have a 6-inch extension. And place this last one in there, and then snug it down. Place all our coil packs in there. Put the bolts back in. I'll show you how to put the coil packs back in there. It's pretty easy. You have to take them all out kind of at once. Helps if there's 2 people, but one person can do this job. If you saw how fast this one came in and out, I've only been working on this for the last 10 minutes, so it's not a very long job. My car had a little bit of a stutter problem when you're soft accelerating. If you let it coast, it doesn't do it, and if you hard accelerate, it doesn't do it. But otherwise, hopefully this fixes it. My other spark plugs were pretty wore out. Where's that other spark plug? Is it down here? Yeah, I'll show you what this other spark plug looked like. It has 89,000 miles. I think it's been replaced, but this is what the other spark plug looked like versus one that's new. So it was worn out a little bit. I'm going to snug this down, and then it's all in the wiggle. All right, so now I just basically place all these, lift this up, place all these back down in the holes. Oops. Yep, put it down. I mean, it really is that easy. So you just have to make sure you push down till they connect, and then you just twist them over to where the bolt holes are. Silver screws go in these. I don't know if your guys will have silver screws, but mine do. So, like I said, it really is that easy. Then you just snug them down, and that's about it. I think this is tightening. No, it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that here in just a second, but that's how you do it. Any questions, feel free to ask. I'm gonna have to search for this extension now.